how to find YouTube stream key. So what you're gonna have to do is just go ahead to your YouTube studio, and once you are there, navigate yourself to the Go Live option or the Create, but it can be found here. So press on Go Live, and you're gonna have to press on now or the Get Set Up to Live Stream Now, then start on the streaming software option. But you can just directly lead yourself here. But once you're here, before the stream key should have been shown here in the bottom left corner, but now it's here in the top right. So if you want your stream key, there is a copy option over here. What you're gonna have to do is press on copy, and it's gonna copy to your clipboard, of course. Then just go ahead and paste it to anywhere you want. You could put it in your notes. But that's pretty much how you get your stream key in YouTube Studio. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.